Just arrived in stock this morning, this stunning Land Rover Velar R-Dynamic in Kaikora stone with 49,000 miles on and £4,000 worth of optional extras. Let's have a look. Starting off down the front here, we have these gorgeous black 21-inch alloy wheels. Got that Kaikora stone metallic paintwork with the black contrast roof and the sliding panoramic roof. And all the way around from the vehicle at back, we've got the privacy glass. Take a look inside. We'll go into the car, we've got the Meridian sound system. Also the 18-way heated and massage seats. There's the back seats. And features up front include the sat nav, the reverse camera, head-up display. So if this Range Rover Velar looks like the car for you, or you need any more information, you can give us a call on 01924 56 2222.